Do this shit, bro. Hey, look, bro. Y'all niggas know what it is. You know what I mean? Nigga to dump that shit on me, bro. So I need niggas to goddamn be in position, bro. You know what I'm saying? Let's get this motherfucking money, bro. You take to the chance every motherfucking day, bro. We've been at the bottom all the time, forever. That's all we want about. You know? You know what I mean? I'm gonna goddamn break this bitch down. Everybody get a piece. And lock down your section. And get this motherfucking money, bro. Forever real, nigga. That's the only way, bro. Them other niggas ain't talking about shit. Spaz, you know what time it is. We've been talking about this shit, bro. Let's lock this shit down, man. Let's get it, man. We take the chances, man.
Forever motherfucking real.
Fame.
Boy, out here with it on me on the corner taking chances. These niggas is scared of trap, so they just glancing. Standing in the kitchen like I'm whipping up a sandwich. Trying to turn this fucking Toyota to a Vanquish. Out here with it on me on the corner taking chances. These niggas is scared of trap, so they just glancing. Standing in the kitchen like I'm whipping up a sandwich. Trying to turn this fucking Toyota to a Vanquish. Nigga, standing in the kitchen with my robe on. Crack the seal on the pack and cut the stove on. Straight drop, shit, I had they soul gone. Fiends beating on the door, I tell them hold on. Looking like my pops in the 90s, nigga. Real fly dope boy in the finest, nigga. Play the hood, so you know where to find me, nigga. And tell the labels in the mill they wanna sign me, nigga. Gone for a minute, but I'm back popping. Crack money turned Kasim to fat pockets. Feeling like Ray with the Cubans on. Niggas say I lost the wave, had to prove them wrong. Yeah, the pack move better when the crack lock. 2 hits, I have them jumping off the black top. 2 clips, I leave a nigga with a flat top. Cause once the blood starts spilling in the threat stop, he gon' send me 3 when I ask for 2. Cause he know I can get him gone when he asks me to. Waiting by the docks, trying to play the boat. Benny Hanna's in the trap, we fillet the coke, nigga. These niggas rats, they point well. Trap niggas making bands off of point sales. 30 per stick when I point shells. You can run and get hit when them points trail. Everybody grind, but they bag like. Too busy riding niggas dick, you the fag type. Twin pipe, SS, the fast type. And you know I'ma take the trip when the cash right. It on me on the corner taking chances. These niggas is scared of trap, so they just glancing. Standing in the kitchen like I'm whipping up a sandwich. Trying to turn this fucking Toyota to a Vanquish.